I give the floor to Pakistan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, Pakistan has voted in favor of the resolution on Afghanistan contained in document A/79/L100. We participated actively in the informal consultations and appreciate the role of Germany as facilitator during the negotiations. We welcome the resolution's acknowledgement of contributions by neighboring countries to the well-being of Afghan people, regional diplomatic initiatives, and connectivity projects. We also appreciate the acknowledgement of Pakistan's role in hosting Afghan refugees, the recognition of threats to Afghanistan's immediate neighbors, and call on Afghanistan to take concrete steps against all terrorist entities, especially the TTP, and the need for having an engagement architecture with a substantive roadmap for a clear end state of an Afghanistan at peace with itself and its neighbors. Mr. President, Pakistan also welcomes the resolution's acknowledgement of OIC's plan of action for the advancement of women and the Islamabad Declaration on Girls' Education, emphasizing upon girls' education as a fundamental human right consistent with Islamic teachings. However, we would also like to note with disappointment the inability of the resolution to include several aspects that were critical to reflecting the ground realities in Afghanistan. The failure to acknowledge the Taliban as de facto authorities, as widely referenced in the SG's reports and briefings, reluctance to refer to certain regional platforms that remain critical for pragmatic engagement, while including elements such as the appointment of a special coordinator that did not enjoy consensus and support from the Quad group of regional countries, that is Pakistan, China, Iran, and Russia, could have been avoided. We must reiterate that any sustainable progress on Afghanistan requires the support of its immediate neighbors and key regional partners. The resolution's provisions must have taken the key concerns of the Quad group into account for a comprehensive and realistic framework for promoting the objectives of peace, security, development, and human rights in Afghanistan. Despite these shortcomings, Pakistan has taken a forward step by voting yes on this resolution, with the hope to receive greater understanding towards key regional countries' concerns in future that will help us to jointly address the common issues faced in Afghanistan. I thank you, Mr. President.
I thank Pakistan.